Getting arrested for driving under the influence can be a stressful time. Interlock is here to help you through the process of getting back on the road. Step 1. Go to court. First, you have to go to court. If you're convicted of an OWI, your driving privileges will be revoked for a minimum of 6 months. You may also be court-ordered to install an ignition interlock device on every vehicle you own for a first offense, BAC of 0.15 or above, any subsequent offense, or chemical test refusal. Step 2. Upon conviction, you'll also need to complete an assessment at a state-approved alcohol assessment facility in your county. You may need to complete it before you're eligible for an occupational license. Step 3. Regain driving privileges with an occupational license. An occupational license allows you to regain your driving privileges after your OWI, but restricts where and when you can drive. You can obtain one by checking your eligibility and completing the necessary forms on the Wisconsin DOT website, obtaining SR22 insurance, and installing an ignition interlock device if required. If you need an ignition interlock device, call 888-655-2566 today. Our state specialists are available 24/7 to help you walk through your state's process. Relax, we're here to help.